around the corner, there's a rainbow in the sky. So let's have another cup of coffee, and let's have another piece of pie.
So definitely, as Tierney mentioned, check with the airport, check with your airline.
Okay, I'm just taping to show you that we are having thunder ice. This is what it looks like out my door. And you can hear it sleeting. But you can also hear that it's thundering. It's cold, isn't it, John? It's cold.
Underneath this sleet, you have at least an inch of sleet. Underneath before that, at least 1.5, 2 inches of sleet. Under that, you have about an inch of ice.
It's just winter time.
Yep, it's cold. And here's outside in the back. But the funny thing is that it's actually sleeting. This is sleet, but we have a thunderstorm going on at the same time. Thunder sleet is what it is. Here's the local station showing what's going on. And yeah, I'm pretty cabin feverish. I ain't going to show you because I'm just like a mess. But we got plenty of food, and we're okay here in Oklahoma City. We didn't get it as bad, and the trees are safe, and I'm happy because I have a lot of trees. But all of northeastern Oklahoma, which I'll try and include some pictures, have lost trees.
That we're going to go through over the next couple of
Well,
days.